What up, what up? It's your boy, the humble hacker from Chi-Town, Shy Ronin, back again with could it be? Another video? Really? Wowzers, this is new. Told you I'd throw in a quickie. Kioptrix level 1 should be over quicker than the ratings for the US version of the IT crowd. Faster than Popeyes running out of the chicken sandwiches when it debuted. More nimble than a nincompoop ninja. More agile than the box office ratings of Dragon Ball Evolution or Mortal Kombat Annihilation. Both were extremely terrible and interest was lost incredibly fast. What was I talking about again? Oh, right! Kioptrix level 1 should knock this out quick and fast. Ready? Let's get it. Okay, let us begin. First, since this is a VM, we're going to see what we are working with here. So we are going to make a blanket nmap scan here. And, whoops. And see what we got here. Let's go ahead and find out where we could locate this VM. Going to run nmap on this entire subnet. And blammo, looks like we have it under this one. So let's clear this out and do our normal nmap scan. S lowercase, uppercase, SV. Let's do that. And then O A Kioptrix 1. I'm just gonna label it as simply as that. Gonna let this bad boy run, and if I am not mistaken, port 80 was open. So we're gonna run a directory buster here, but first I want to go and try Nicto. So for this one, we're gonna run Nicto with the host flag. Right. Boom. And have to add the http://. Then we can put in the output of Kioptrix L1.txt. And since we already put this one here, let's go ahead and cat this out. But not before we confirm this one right here. And I already ran this one, of course, which just finished. Freaking crap. All right. So here, we're going to run with all ports. So we're going to run SC for safe scripts, enumerate versions, enumerate everything. All ports output is Kiop1. Here, let's see what we got. We have port 22 open, port 80 open. 111. Don't see anything that's mountable. Okay, looks like it's running HTTPS on 443. And this other port here at port 3, 2, 7, 6, and 8. So we can, just for ooshes and goggles, let's just go ahead and run Go Buster on this one here. Dir, specify our word list with W. Root desktop, once you spell it correctly, you dunce. And tools, seclist, medium. Quiet with all that damn noise. And we got our output here. And Kioptrix is spelled with a K, not a flippin' L. L1 txt, the URL, which would be that, and let's do threads of 150. Now this is already pulling up some pages. So we got some 301s here, and let's run Nicto and see what we have. All right. Okie dokes. Okay, Apache is vulnerable to XSS. Don't need that. Apache seems to be outdated. Etsy hosts. Okay, we have identified backdoor, but we also have this as well. So, looks like this here is mod SSL 2.8.7 or lower, vulnerable to a remote buffer overflow, which may allow for a remote shell. Meaning, we can just shoot straight for the stars on this one. And how do we do that? We are going to be using that with our Metasploit. So we're going to go ahead and load this Metasploit with the MSFDB RU in run. DMC. D for database, M for Metasploit. Again, C for could you please hurry the fork up and load this thing already so we can get this damn thing done. Alright, let's check this out, see what we have for directory busting. These 3 paths, and that is it. Alright, let's see what you have under your MRTG. You have our test page. MRTGs. Yeah, I spelled that right. Why are you going over there? Okay. This was open link. Okay. Alright, let's try this again. MRTG. You have nada. Alright, and then fine. We ain't messing with you. Let's go back over to here. Alright, now that we got our Metasploit up, let's run a quick search on this here. Strip it down. Minus SSL, you ain't got nothing for that? Hang on, where did I see? Maybe I'm missing that slash there. Let's give that a shot. That's interesting. Let's again. Hold up. Probably shouldn't have done that. Okay. So, where the hell is that? I think it was this one. Hang on. Let's just do this here. Go. Ah, here we go. So it's not in Metasploit. It's actually here. Should have done this one first. Alrighty. So let's get this party started. What is this? Apache mod SSL 2.8.7 open SSL open fork remote buffer overflow 1. And let's see what this bad boy does. So after we download the script, we go and compile it with open that with El Crypto. Let us give this a shot and copy this and let us create this open luck.c. Go ahead and paste that right there. Save that. And as this says here, GCC open output open and El Crypto. Maybe I have to do this backwards, but we'll see if this works first. No, you don't. Damn it. Alright. Let's just copy this whole thing here. And then we're going to paste that. There we are. CC, don't need that twice. And wait. Let's try this instead. Okay. Alright. Pick. So we get our letters correct. Alrighty. Take that, copy that here. And let us take this here. Holy hell. Alright. Looks like you don't want to wake. So let's try this one instead. What is this? It says... This is from GitHub. Looks like this is a cleaner version of that. So let's go through what this wants us to do. So we're going to download this Git repo. Type in git clone. And grabbing that from there. Once we find our freaking tab. There we are. Alright, now we have to install this SSL dev library. That's all good to go. It's compile time. Alright, if you want to sound like a confused Power Ranger. Alright, let's go ahead and run that, and boom! It worked this time. So, running the exploit, do e.slash, and we're going to specify which architecture here. So we're going to go and confirm our architecture here. So that means that we have to go back over to our nmap and then find what we could be running here. So it looks like this is Apache 1.3.20. And let's go and find out where that is. And Apache Red Hat. Let's see. Apache Red Hat. Here we go. 1.3.20. Now we have 0x6a is what we will be running in order to using this one in order to get it to work. Now there's two of them, 06a, 06b. Let's keep 06b in our booty pocket, and let's just go ahead and copy that right here. Then we're going to edit it with our machine's IP. Looks like I was wrong and how long this was going to take. Totally my bad. At least I'm not stuttering this time. Alright. So we're going to run this with open fork with this hex code. It's the IP address of the machine, the port, and how many concurrent threads. And looks like you didn't wake. Now we have one more. A. Now we do B. Let this one run. Says a spawning shell. Goodbye. Wait. Don't do that. And there we go. Just had to run it twice. All right. Now, let's see if we can run commands here. And yes, we can. So there's no prompt, so we don't have to worry about that. But if you want to be a stickler about it, just in case if you do or you don't. Let's see spawning a TTY shell. Go ahead, copy that, paste that, and looks like you don't like it. So, looks like we're dealing with it. PWD, we are in the temp folder. Let's go ahead and CD up out of that. CD into root. Don't really have anything, but we do have root right there. So it's basically a quick own. It's mainly just taking advantage of this right here. This wait, what was I pointing at? There we go. This minus the cell here. This response that we got from our Nikto scan. It was pretty straightforward. Didn't really have to do much, but bonus video. Definitely love doing it, and love doing it for you guys. You guys are awesome. Hope you're having a great weekend, and I will see you later.